Hello everyone and welcome. I have for you another idea for Valentine's Day or anniversary card with a wreath in the shape of a hat. This card is budget friendly. For the wreath, I'm using supplies I bought at Lidl. If you don't know Lidl, you might know Aldi. It's a discount store. And I bought this watercolor cardstock. It's only 190 grams, so it's definitely rubbish for typical watercoloring. But I'm using these watercolor pencils, also from Lidl, for which I only need a little bit of water. And for that, this cardstock is okay. I have pre-drawn the wreath, so I know where to place the leaves. I'm using two colors. For one side of the hat, I used pink, and for the other, I used purple. I actually wanted to use blue and turquoise to give it to boyfriend or husband, but I forgot. To color the wreath, I started with a stem, just a simple line, and for each leaf I drew the outline first, then I scribbled the color at the bottom of the leaf, and with a water brush pen I spread the color across the leaf. If you do not have a water brush pen, you can use a normal brush and a clean water in a jar. I will play music for the rest of the video. I think the drawing is quite straightforward, but if you would like to have more information, all my videos have corresponding blog posts where you can find all the details. The link is in the description. Or just ask in the comments.